Imagine the roar of a V8 engine in a world that's going electric. Dodge isn't just keeping the muscle car spirit alive, it's taking it to a whole new level. Today, let's dive into the all-new 2026 Dodge lineup, the Charger SixPack and the Durango V8, and find out why these beasts are making waves in the auto industry. For decades, Dodge has been the symbol of raw American muscle. While many carmakers are switching entirely to electric, Dodge has taken a bold step, giving enthusiasts the choice of high-performance gasoline engines alongside cutting-edge technology. The 2026 lineup is proof that Dodge refuses to let the muscle car die. Let's start with the Charger SixPack. Unlike the traditional V8, this model introduces a brand-new inline-six engine, nicknamed the Hurricane. It's available in two trims, the R/T with 420 horsepower and the Scat Pack with a jaw-dropping 550 horsepower. And yes, both versions come with all-wheel drive, making this Charger more practical without losing its soul. The 2026 Charger isn't just about power. Dodge has redesigned it as a sleek liftback with a hatch, meaning you get the look of a muscle car with the convenience of extra cargo space. From aggressive front styling to wide shoulders and sharp LED lights, it screams performance while still being versatile for daily use. Performance isn't only under the hood. The Charger SixPack comes with advanced suspension tuning, quick-shifting transmissions, and Dodge's performance pages on the infotainment system, where you can monitor real-time horsepower, torque, and even lap times. In short, it's a driver's playground on wheels. And the best part? Dodge has priced the R/T at just under $52,000 and the Scat Pack around $57,000. For the kind of performance you're getting, that's a serious bargain compared to European rivals. Now, let's move to the family hauler that refuses to compromise, the 2026 Dodge Durango. While most SUVs are downsizing engines, Dodge is offering nothing but V8 power. The lineup starts with a 5.7-liter Hemi producing 360 horsepower, a 6.4-liter version pushing 475 horsepower, and for thrill seekers, the SRT Hellcat with a mind-blowing 710 horsepower. The Durango may be a three-row SUV, but it doesn't look or feel like a boring family car. The exterior is muscular, the cabin comes with large touchscreens and premium finishes, and you still get plenty of space for passengers and luggage. It's comfort, technology, and muscle all rolled into one. So why is Dodge still offering big V8s when everyone else is going hybrid or electric? Simple, it's about passion. Dodge knows there's a loyal fan base that loves the sound, the feel, and the heritage of real engines. At the same time, they are preparing for the future with hybrid and EV options. The 2026 lineup proves Dodge isn't afraid to give customers both worlds. Whether you want the modern twist of the Charger SixPack or the raw power of the Durango V8, Dodge is keeping muscle alive in a time when performance cars are becoming rare. It's not just about speed. It's about emotion, identity, and a driving experience you can't get from silence. So what do you think about Dodge's bold move? Would you choose the Charger SixPack with its high-tech inline-six, or the Durango with its roaring V8? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more car news and reviews. Until next time, keep that engine running.